In the dictionary, sustainability is described as the ability to be maintained at a certain rate or level. Hello, my name is Daniela from Troop 584. Myself, along with my two other Silver Award group members, Vicky and Clara, were recently working towards completing our Girl Scout Silver Award project. The Girl Scout Silver Award project we chose to do was making no-sew blankets for shelters and organizations in need of blankets. The materials needed will be a few rolls of fleece we recommend going to Joann's for, in hope of a discount you can receive for being a Girl Scout, and fabric scissors, which you can buy at virtually any craft store. There are various places to donate to, but some that are in need of blankets year-round are puppy shelters, homeless shelters, and also various PetSmarts that have cats housed in their facilities that are waiting to be adopted. Other places that might not need them year-round, but are definitely in need of them, are orphanages and other homes for children. In order to successfully complete the project, we highly recommend hosting a workshop as we did. This workshop will give others the opportunity to help you make your blankets. If you chose to make the blankets alone with your own group, it would be a very tiresome and lengthy process. In the description box below is a link to a video which helps you make the no-sew blankets. Thank you very much for watching, and we wish you the best of luck on your Silver Award project.